Hey guys, today I will show you a complete guide on how to easily create a PayPal account in Australia in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's get started with the video. To create your PayPal account, just follow these simple steps. Start by opening your web browser and going to paypal.com. Next, click Sign Up. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the page. Now choose your account type. Select either personal account or business account, depending on your needs, and click Next. Then enter your email address and create a secure password. After that, fill in your personal information, like your name, address, and phone number. You'll then be prompted to link your bank account or card, whether it's a debit or credit card, to verify your account and unlock all PayPal features. Finally, review the terms and conditions, then click Agree and create account, and that's it, your PayPal account is ready to use.